Sino sa inyo ang gustong magnegosyo balang araw? Sino sa inyo ang gustong maging direktor or CEO ng kumpanya? Have you thought about what you need to do in order to get there? So, mahalaga yon. You need to be curious about that. Kasi kung hindi, magiging swerte malas tayo. Uy, na-promote ako, swerte. Uy, hindi ako na-promote, malas. You have to be a little bit more deliberate. Ano yung mga fixed mindset na kailangan yung i-address at i-overcome? Dahil if you don't address them, they will hinder your growth. Okay? So those are the questions that you need to ask yourself. So ano-anong mga principles ang kailangan nating embrace so that we become coachable? We need to embrace the principles of lifelong learning. Hindi tayo dapat natitigil matuto. Kasi, well, I have more explanation about that in a little bit. Unang-una kasi change is constant. Meron akong training on change agility, no? At doon sa mga participants, pinakikita ko yung rate of change from nung 20th century, pa ganyan yung change eh, unti-unti lang. Nung 21st century, biglang bumulusok ano, yung change.